That's popcorn right there. That was seeds. This is popcorn and potatoes all right here. That's weeds. I need to clean all that up because the weeds are taking all the water and nutrients out of the ground. But I just got warranty replacement sprinkler and I got it hooked up. Doing a pretty good job. Very impressed. The company of the sprinkler, I'd go recommend buying one because they backed the product up. Even knowing that it wasn't technically, on this one, it wasn't their fault. It got crushed, like ran over. They still warranted it, sent me a brand new one. It's working pretty good. Doing a wonderful job. I actually have another sprinkler of these that's also getting warranted that I didn't think they'd warranty, but this part that you can set it so it stops and then goes and then stops. That part doesn't work on the other one, so I sent them a video of that one working, and they said, yeah, they'll send me one for that too. So, I mean, just on this one, I'm buying their products again. I love when companies back up their products. That's the company I want to support. And I mean, this one really wasn't technically a warranty issue, but the fact that they still warranted it makes it even nicer to support a company like this. There's very few companies that I'll support